Letter writing is one of the oldest and most meaningful ways to communicate. It helps express thoughts, feelings, and information in a structured form. In this lesson, we focus on the structure and format of letters, which are essential for writing clearly and politely, whether in personal or professional situations. Understanding the right form, tone, and organization will make your letters more effective and easy to read. The main purpose of letter writing is to communicate ideas and information effectively. People write letters to share news, express opinions, make requests, or maintain relationships. Formal letters are used for official or business communication, while informal letters express personal feelings or connect with friends and family. Every letter serves as a written record of communication that reflects clarity and respect. Letters can be divided into two main types, formal and informal. A formal letter is used for professional, official, or academic purposes. It follows a fixed structure and a respectful tone. Examples include job applications, business correspondence, and official requests. An informal letter, on the other hand, is written to friends or family members. It allows a conversational tone, shows emotions, and uses personal expressions. Understanding the difference between these types helps writers choose the right tone and format for each situation. A formal letter has a specific order that must be followed. It begins with the sender's address written at the top left corner, followed by the date. Next comes the receiver's address, which includes their name and official title. After that, a short subject line summarizes the purpose of the letter. The salutation, such as "Sir" or "Madam," starts the main content. The body includes 3 sections: an introduction, the main message, and a conclusion. Finally, the letter ends with a polite closing, such as "Yours faithfully," followed by the sender's signature and full name. Each part plays an important role in making the letter professional and clear. The formal letter follows a clear layout. Begin with your address and date at the top. Next, write the receiver's address, and then include a subject line that clearly states the purpose of the letter. After that, write the salutation using formal language like "Sir" or "Madam." The body of the letter should be neatly divided into 3 paragraphs: the introduction, the details or main content, and the conclusion where you summarize or make a request. End the letter formally with "Yours faithfully," followed by your name and signature. Keeping proper spacing and alignment ensures the letter looks clean and professional. The tone of a formal letter must always be polite and respectful. Avoid emotional or casual expressions. Use clear and direct sentences that make your message easy to understand. Focus on the purpose and avoid unnecessary details. Use formal vocabulary, such as "I would like to inform you," instead of casual phrases like "I want to tell you." This language shows professionalism and respect, which are very important in formal communication. An informal letter has a simpler structure compared to a formal one. Begin with your address at the top left, followed by the date. Then use a friendly greeting, such as "Dear John" or "My dear friend," depending on your relationship. The body of the letter usually has 3 parts: an opening paragraph with greetings, a main paragraph sharing your thoughts or experiences, and a closing paragraph that sends love or regards. End the letter with an affectionate sign-off such as "Yours lovingly," followed by your name. The style is relaxed and natural, reflecting your personal connection with the receiver. The informal letter follows a conversational format. Start with your address and the date. Then greet the person with a personal salutation, like "Dear Alice." In the opening paragraph, ask how the reader is doing and share a short update about yourself. The main body includes details or stories you wish to share, written naturally as if you were speaking. The closing paragraph sends your best wishes or warm regards. End with a friendly sign-off like "Yours lovingly," followed by your name. Keeping the language simple and heartfelt makes the letter pleasant and sincere. Formal and informal letters differ in purpose, language, and tone. A formal letter is used for official or business communication and follows a strict format with polite, professional language. It keeps the focus on facts and avoids emotions. An informal letter, by contrast, is personal and friendly. It uses everyday language and a warm tone to express feelings. The format is flexible, and sentences can be relaxed or expressive. Understanding these differences helps you decide when to write formally or informally based on your relationship with the receiver. Before writing, plan what message you want to convey. A clear purpose keeps your writing focused. Use simple and understandable words that suit your audience. Organize the letter logically, start with an introduction, develop your ideas in the middle, and conclude politely. Review your grammar and spelling carefully to ensure correctness. Good alignment and neat spacing improve readability. A well-written letter shows that you are thoughtful, respectful, and confident in your communication.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.